Good morning, everyone. Today I want to share about what inside the WordPress. This is a example of my website. You can see any tools in here. It's like dashboard, post, media, and others. Uh, I want to share about what inside here and what the function. For the dashboard, you can see is have to sub, which is home and updates. For home, you can see uh, you can create another site, another page, or another design. Another is updates. You can see in here it's about uh, WordPress updates. You can see you can reinstall the new version or other themes. For the post, you can create your page, and you can, and inside the page is have another information such as author, categories, text, and date. And you can add new some like this, and you can create like what's the title. In here you can see many categorize to like when you create your website, what can uh, it's like a function for the user or your audience to know about you. It's like the visibility is public or private, or the publish is like immediately, or you can create another date like that. Here for categorize is uh, you can see any tools such as name is if what the name is appear in your site, and the slug is like URL, and here I have parent categorize. And text is like uh, similar in what is like hashtags in your Instagram like that. When you share your posting and posting something, post image or something, when you use hashtag and you name it after hashtag like that, if someone search it in online like that, it's like, yeah, how people to how people to categorize what the term is like, what they like that, and when they use that hashtag, they can find your website or your post or your page like that. Here also have media library. Is it like many type of like attachment like that. You can see it's like how you post your page in here. For the page in here, you can see it's like this is the example of what you post. And also comment from user or audience when they watch your website. And also project, you can see it's like, yeah, it's categorized by project or by text like that. Thank you.